Joe Armstrong here once again, giving you guys a little bit more from the first CFS meeting. Go to chiefkessler.com for more, and remember, never retreat, never surrender.
I want to pay attention very closely to what this man is about to tell you.
Before he gets into that bill, the one thing that needs to be said, with both of those bills he reviewed, there is no time period for which people can actually turn in their weapons or otherwise. Every one of us would automatically be subject to criminal charges for a misdemeanor 1.
I can answer that. I don't think there's enough jail cells in Pennsylvania to get us all.
We cling to our guns and to our Bibles, so.
Yeah.
Damn right. Damn right.
That's House Bill 517. The other one is Senate Bill 435. This one I found this morning while I was having my coffee and eggs. This is House Bill 961. It almost made me sick when I read it. This was referred to the Committee on the Judiciary on March 12, 2013, and I'll bet nobody in this room has heard about it, even being before the Pennsylvania Congress. This bill is titled Unmanned Aircraft Surveillance. An order authorizing unmanned aircraft surveillance. Basically what it says is from the Attorney General all the way down to Assistant District Attorneys can go and on written petition to the Superior Court of Pennsylvania can apply to get unmanned aircraft surveillance, otherwise we know them as drones or kites, wherein there is suspected criminal activity, has been, is, or is about to occur. Okay? No mention of probable cause. No mention of reasonable suspicion. No mention of evidence required, witness testimony, due process rights. What it says is they can go and get this when such evidence may provide, or when such use may provide evidence of the commission of any of the offenses enumerated under the Wiretapping Act, or may, not shall, may provide evidence aiding in the apprehension of a perpetrator or perpetrators of any offenses listed under here for life, liberty, property, etc. That's the drone law.
Yeah.
You know, we heard about it because Virginia had it and was raised in stink about it. It's here. All this stuff is here.
We have a bill for it.
They're building a base there.
And everybody understands something. As of right now, according to the mainstream news media, we're all terrorists organizing a plot to take over our government. That's how the story would read. Please understand that when you're reading stories about this kind of stuff. Please.
Well, the point I want to make to everybody, and Josh said it best, we are responsible to protect our own rights. We're responsible to protect each other's rights. We're bonded together because we all have a common interest here. Josh is a collector and a shootist. He doesn't hunt, he doesn't trap, he doesn't fish. I'm on a trap line at 4:30 in the morning. Trap fox, coyote, raccoon. I got a predator hunting business where I go out and take kids out hunting, do stuff like that. These liberties, these things that we have been given by our ancestors who fought and died for this stuff. Why should a bunch of Democrats from Philadelphia have the right to restrict them?
That's right.
Just because they don't like
Where the FAA gave a permit